had to show how she cared. But the night, how she living life, now another night, over there. That woman across the river, woman across the river, Lord, she was mine. Oh Lord, she was mine. Word had got around that he had guilted her. Man, king of that, yeah, came out from the bone. How could it be such a fool? She had never, 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 never known. Left the night, counting on. He is like it, so and so. That woman across the river now, sweet woman across the river, Lord, she was mine. Oh Lord, she was mine. It's a bad job getting by with the nine catching a vine. But I've been a working man, hanging on my lap and I go back working. Long as my two hands are 50 years. Well, I drink my beer in the tavern and I'll cry a little bit of me, drinking my blue. Oh, keep my nose on the wine, song got a willy hot every day. I might get a little tired on the weekend. After I call my pay, but I'll go back working, baby. On Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Well, I drink my beer that evening, and I'll sing a little bit of this surfing on blue. Well, sometime I think about leaving, gonna leave a little loving around. I'm out the room, my bills out the window, cause I can't get me down the town and I go back working, baby. Oh, gotta buy the kid to find deep pair of shoes. I know that's right. I'll drink my beer in the tavern and I'll play a little bit of blues, working nine blues. Get down, I'm gonna play the blues now. the moon shines bright, watching them jugs are filling in the pale moonlight. My daddy made corn biscuits, my granddaddy did too, and we ain't paid no whiskey tax since 1792. We'll lay beneath the juniper while the moon shines by, watching the jugs are filling in the pale moonlight. Into your copper kettle, into your copper coil, fill it with new made corn mash, and no more will you talk. We'll lay beneath the juniper while the moon shines bright, watching the jugs are filling in the pale moonlight. In the pale moonlight, in the pale moonlight.